SHENZHEN LANGMA Technology Limited is a comprehensive high-tech manufacturer for AC driverless LED lights, smart LED lamps, and LED filament bulbs. Since 2013, Langma keep focusing on R&D and manufacturing great LED lamps to global market by strong, experienced engineer team, passionate market team, professional QC process system, and 24 hours service system. We welcome OEM and ODM projects for all kinds of LED lamps, including LED tube LEDs, LED down LEDs, LED spotlights, LED panel LEDs, LED ceiling LEDs, LED floodlights, LED string LEDs, and vintage LED bulbs, and more. Located in Shenzhen City, Guangdong Province of China, Langma also has its own brand Brightmax, 2 factories and over 100 employees, using high-efficiency automatic and semi-automatic production equipment to short delivery time for clients. Langma had obtained UL, CUL, SAA, CE, RoHS, FCC, CITIC, EAC, IP65 certificates to meet various demands from different countries and regions all over the world. Our good quality lights enhance the lighting performance while reducing your operating costs, and they are widely applied in home and commercial lighting, such as supermarkets, apartments, gardens, offices, parks, hotels, hospitals, and labs. After years of efforts, Langma had good reputation on highest quality LED LEDs and innovative energy-saving solutions. Better lights makes better life. Langma is your trusted supplier of LED lighting. We design, we produce, we deliver. Welcome to Langma.